Hello my lovely crafters, this is Crafty Sue 519. Welcome to my channel. And today we are going to make a fun fold card. I made this card a little while ago and Melissa from Buy Mimi with Love saw it and asked me if I could do a tutorial on it. So I'm going to do my best to do that. I'm not big on doing tutorials, but I think I got this. So like I said, this is a fun fold card. I made this a little while ago and Mimi saw it. And like I said, she asked me to do the tutorial. So here I am. So when the person receives the card, this is what they see. However you decide to design it. But when they open it, it opens this way. So they can turn it like this and see the pretty happy birthday and then read your message here. And then it folds right back. Very easy. Might look a little difficult. It's not. It's not. So this is the one we're going to make today. I already have everything all cut out and I will give you the measurements. So you will need, from your cardstock, for the card base, you need a piece of cardstock that is 11 by 4 1/4 inches long. And that's for the base of your card. You will need another piece of that cardstock, 4 1/4 by 4 1/4 square. And then for your inside of your card, whatever color you choose to make it, this is 5 1/4 by 4. And I've already got mine done, so we don't spend a lot of time doing stamping and everything because you don't have to do that on this. You're going to make it your own. And then for the pattern paper, which is this and this, mine is very simple and plain because I did stamping on here. But you can choose any kind of pattern paper and any kind of design that you'd like to make for your card, along with your sentiment. You can do anything you like. So the first piece, this piece here of pattern paper, is 4 by 4, and that's going to fit right on top of this. And then you're going to need 2 small pieces of the same pattern paper that are 1 inch by 4 inches long. Okay, that's all you need. All you need. And like I said, the front of your card is up to you. That's always my hardest part, is deciding on papers and how I want to decorate it. But I am in desperate need of birthday cards, so that's what I'm doing today. I am making birthday cards. These, and then I'm going to do some others that I'll show on my Saturday Mishmash tomorrow. Alrighty, to get started, you're going to take your card base, the 11 by 4 1/4, and you're going to score it right in the middle at 5 1/2. So you have that score right there. Now, we need to make the little mechanism that's going to do our fun fold. So on your base, you're going to measure from the right side over 4 1/4 inches and put a little tick mark there, okay? Just a little tick mark at that 4 1/4 inches. Then you're going to take your scoring board, or in my case, this is scores as well as cuts. And you're going to line up that little tick mark. I hope I'm in frame because I can't tell. Here, and line up the corner on your scoreboard or one of these cutting scoreboards so that it's straight. And then you're going to score it. So take your score and score it a couple of times. You want to score it really good. And it's going to give you a triangle. So you're going to take that triangle and you're going to fold it over this way. Okay, fold it up. I get that out of the way. Fold it up. And you want to really press down on that really well. And then you want to take it and fold it in the opposite direction. Make sure your edges are straight. And score it on that side as well, because you want it to work freely. So you really want good scoring on this. Okay. So the next thing we're going to do is you're going to take that piece of pattern paper. You can decorate it after. You don't have to do it ahead of time like I did. But take that piece of pattern paper and you're going to glue it to that 4 1/4 by 4 1/4 piece. This one's 4 by 4, 4 1/4 by 4 1/4, so you have a little border. So we will do that. I'll do that. It is still freezing here in Florida. I don't know what's going on. I expect snow any day. Of course, we'll never have it, but it feels that way sometimes. My hands are so cold. And just center that piece on the base, like that. Now, usually I would not have this decorated ahead of time, and I would take my bone folder and really make sure it's on there well. You can use glue, you can use tape, you can use anything you like. Anything you like. To do it. I find glue is just a lot more stable and reliable, and it won't fall apart like tape does. So now we're going to take your card base. This is going to be folded up like this. And you're going to take the two pieces that you just put together and you're going to glue it. You're going to take this end and match it here, and it should match perfectly with the other end of the triangle. So to do that, you're just going to put glue. I wouldn't put tape on this if you can't, if you have glue. It will be much better, but put a lot of glue on there. You want this to stick down really well because this is going to move. And then take your piece and just make sure it's nice and even. And then push it down. Push it down. And that will make your mechanism. So you want to fold your card in half, score that, burnish that score line, and almost done the front of your card already. That's how easy it is. So when you open it, there it is. Easy peasy. Easy, easy, easy. So you're going to take one of the 1 inch by 4 inch pieces of pattern paper that you had cut, and you're going to center it right here. It's going to be a little harder for me because I already have my decorations on there, but it should be nice and easy for you if you decorate it afterwards. So you want to kind of center that on there. As well as you can. If a little off, nobody's going to know the difference. Because your card's going to be so beautiful. They will love it. And there you go. That's your front of your card finished. How easy is that? How easy is that? So then we're going to open it. We're going to take that other piece of pattern paper and we're going to center it on this middle piece, okay? So let's do that. Just center it here as best you can. I don't like it. I pull it off a lot, because I don't like it. It's just not going over as far as I'd like it to. No, I don't like it. I don't like it. Yes, I'm fussy when it comes to stuff like this. There we go. That's good. Now this paper and everything I'm using is from my paper pumpkin kit from September. That's what I made my first one with. Alrighty, then you're going to turn it this way, and you're going to put your sentiment part right on here. So tape or glue that there. Then decorate and put this any way you want in there. Anything you like. The hard part, as I like to call it. Deciding on what you want to do. And I'm just going to take another little pumpkin and put it right here. So that's the inside. Isn't it pretty? Look how easy that was. And now I'm going to stamp the back if I can find where I put my stamp, because my craft room is a disaster area. And I don't know where it is. I don't know where it is. Oh no. Oh no, oh no. See if it's with my other one. It is. Okay. So the problem is, how do I want to do this? Do I want to do it this way and put it there? I guess that's how I should do it. So I'll just stamp my name. Always give yourself credit for card making. If you don't have a stamp with your name on it, write it. Write it. You should always give yourself credit for your work. And there you go. And that's how easy it is. Just cutting out those few pieces, decorating the front, gluing everything together. If like this, it's still sticking up, then burnish it some more. That's the important part, is to make sure it's good and burnished. It'll straighten out eventually. But that's it. Decorate, like I said, how you like. There's no do's and don'ts to that part. And you have your cute little fun fold card. So I will put the measurements of what you need in the description below, along with the video that I followed when I made my card the first time. In case you don't like my video, you can go and check out hers. Her name is Vy Tran, I believe, and she's a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. So I hope I didn't rush through this too much, but I hope that you make them and that I get to see the card you made. That would be a lot of fun. All right, everyone, that's it for today. Short and sweet, pretty card to make, and I'll see you tomorrow. Love yous. Bye.